guys, so it is time for another Year of the Ear. Year of the Ear is a monthly ear swap. It's hosted by the Sisketears, Mary and Tony. And there's a different theme every month, and this month's theme is Home Sweet Home. Last month's theme was Out of This World, and the host Mary actually sent me these Epcot ears, which I love so much. I just booked another trip back to Disney World, and I'm gonna be wearing these at Epcot. So they just can't be Loungefly or Disney Park ears. They have to be handmade or from a small shop like Etsy. And I just got my box. So like I said, the theme is Home Sweet Home. And she gave me a little card. It says Home Sweet Home on it. Hi Jolie, I've sent you 2 pairs of ears. Oh my gosh. Very different pairs. They are simple fabric ears, nothing fancy, but I think they're both so cute. I hope you like them. Christine from Magic Wishing Star. That's so exciting. I got 2 ears the last time too, so I feel spoiled. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. Encanto ears. Oh, they're so colorful. Wow, look at the colors in there. And it has all the family members and poor little Bruno. Oh, and I love the blue pom-poms and the shimmery red bow. These are awesome. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, I gotta try them on. Gorgeous. So well done. I am like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And I really loved this movie. I would probably would have thought about making Encanto ears. I think I loved Bruno's character the most. These are so precious. Thank you so much. And I can't believe you sent 2. Okay, let's get into the other one. Wow. Okay, pair number 2. You're like blowing me away right now. The fabrics are so gorgeous. Where are you finding these fabrics? This is so beautiful. They're Cinderella ears with her fairy godmother and her carriage and her beautiful dress. Oh my gosh, and her castle. Like, where did you get this fabric? Oh wow, and the back of them too, you have the evil stepmother and the 2 sisters. And I think that's another view of either the town with parts of the castle in it. I can't get over it. This fabric is just incredible. It's amazing. Like, now I have to wear these at Magic Kingdom, because of course. Oh, and it has like down below, it has all the little mice and the dog in the corner. Like I know I keep saying it, but I can't get over how colorful these fabrics are. I spend a lot of time looking at Disney fabrics, and this is the most colorful, beautiful ones I've seen yet. Absolutely blown away, super gorgeous. Thank you so much. This makes me want to make like matching dresses. And I sent my ears that I made to Danielle from Melick Adventures, I believe. I will link it down below. So definitely go check that out. I've also listed the rest of the participants down below. I am having so much fun being a part of this swap. I'm not going to be doing next month's theme, but I'll have another video for April. So thanks for watching, guys. This was so much fun, and I hope you have a colorful day.